Photosynthesis is the process where plants use solar energy to manufacture food, which is chemical energy. There are two stages involved in this process. The first stage is the light reaction, which occurs in the presence of light captured by chlorophyll. In this stage, light energy is used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The second stage is the dark reaction, where light is not needed. In this stage, the hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide to make sugar. The overall reaction can be summarized as carbon dioxide plus water equals glucose plus oxygen. The rate of photosynthesis is affected by several factors, including light intensity, temperature, water availability, oxygen and carbon dioxide concentration, and the leaf anatomy and distribution of chlorophyll. The sugars made during photosynthesis are used by the plants in various ways. They are used in respiration, where energy is released and used for cell division and growth. They are also used to make starch, which is stored in special storage organs. Additionally, sugars are used to create proteins and lipids, which are essential for growth, the formation of new cells, and the development of stems, leaves, and reproductive structures.